In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund or return on Shopee. If you're a regular online shopper, chances are you'll eventually need to return a purchase or ask for a refund. Understanding how to navigate this process on platforms like Shopee can really save you time and ensure you have a hassle-free experience. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Shopee's website. You can easily do this by typing Shopee into your search engine or directly entering the URL if you have it bookmarked. Now, once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account, as this is essential for viewing your order details and communicating with sellers. Make sure your login details are handy and ensure that you're logging into the correct account where your purchase was made. After logging in, your next step is to go to your profile. This is typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. It might be indicated by your username or a silhouette icon. Click on this to access a drop-down menu where you can find the option that says My Purchases. This section is your gateway to viewing all current and past orders you've made on Shopee. Once you're in the My Purchases section, you'll want to locate the specific order you're having an issue with. It's helpful to have some information ready, like the order number, or perhaps even the date you placed the order, to make this searching process quicker. After you've identified the correct order, look out for a Contact Seller button. This is usually prominently displayed near your order details. Now, after clicking Contact Seller, you will see a messaging interface where you can communicate directly with the seller. Here, you can simply type out a polite message requesting a refund or a return for your order. It's always best to be as clear and concise as possible. You might want to include specific details about why you're requesting a refund or return, such as if the item was received damaged, it was the wrong item, or it didn't meet the quality promised. Remember that patience and politeness can go a long way in these communications. Sellers are more likely to assist you if you present your request in a respectful and well-articulated manner. After you have sent your message, allow some time for the seller to respond. Once they've replied, follow any instructions they provide, as policies and procedures can vary from one seller to another. Each seller may have specific requirements like sending a photo of the item in question or returning it in its original packaging. And just like that, you've completed the process of requesting a refund or return on Shopee. It's a simple process that, once mastered, ensures any issues with your purchases can be resolved efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping with more confidence.